So band pull aparts with the external rotation, where now that we have that feel of kind of moving the upper back and the scapula, now we need to add in a little bit more of the rotator cuff. And so I tied my band, as you can see. You can also use a shorter band, but what you're going to want to do is have something that's the length of where you can have slight tension on the band at right, like when your elbow's right at your side. And then from here, you're going to keep everything nice and straight. And then all you're going to do, keep your elbows in. You're going to pull against the band as hard as you can. You'll definitely feel a contraction through there. You're going to try and hold for 3 seconds at maximum contraction. And if you have a lighter band, you can probably get out a little bit further. But you want to go as far as you can and hold in the intensity for at least 3 seconds and then come back in. And so you're going to want to be feeling that right through the back of the shoulder, and that's it.